Hey everybody, it's Brandon Vandershot here, a damn good realtor from Brand Realty Group, and I'm super excited to show you our brand new listing here, 1144 4th Avenue East, right here in the city of Owen Sound. Perfect for the investors or the first time buyers. Let's go check this baby out. But first, was that the sound of opportunity right there? And thanks so much for joining us here at 1144 4th Avenue East, right here in the city of Owen Sound. And for the final piece that complements this property, let's talk about the location. Actually, Jacob, why don't you just show them the location? And if you guys are interested in the showing, give me a call at the number that's about to pop up. Thanks so much, everybody.